Hello, thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to introduce the chat tab. On the first page, you will find the chat box, where all your messages are organized into different categories, from unread, recent, start, to all. This makes it easy to keep track of your conversations and find what you are looking for. Next, we have the search bar, which lets you quickly find specific messages or conversations. We also have a quick filter feature, which helps you narrow down messages by certain stand. You also can do the create new messages right here. You have different options. One is direct messages. You can send direct messages to a contact. You also can do the group messages, send group SMS to contacts. Step to the right, when you scroll all the way to the top, you will see all the history, the message history you with this contact. If you have the information in record, such as the email address, the phone number, you will have the ability to send them SMS in this tab or email in this tab. You can fill in the subject, the messages. You also can add on the images, attach files, or emojis, all the thing right here. If you integrate your account with the Marvelous software, you will also have the ability to send the WhatsApp messages right here. When you look in this specific contact, you will see the information about themselves, such as the contact information, the tags, the active automations, the notification status, and when you add this person to the record. You also can switch the option to see the appointment history, the opportunity with this contact, the tasks with him, also the notes you created. Then let's move on to the actions. In this tab, you can see all the manual actions that haven't been done. If all the things to be done, you will see the good work right here. It means you have no pending tasks, and you are good to go. Then we have the template in here. In here, you will see all the snippets created, also the folder. If you don't have some, you can just create a new one right here. You can add text snippets or add email snippets. Once you add them, you will see the name, the body, the folder, the type. This will keep your messages consistent and will help you easier and simpler to reach your customer. Lastly, we have the links. In here, check links allow you to put links inside SMS messages and emails, which allows you to check specific customer actions and trigger events based on when the link is clicked. Once you have them, you will see the name, link URL, link key, and actions. You also can add links right here. You can put on their name, fill in the link URL, and continue to finish it. Yeah, that's basically all the thing for the chat tab. Thank you for watching today's video. See you next one. Bye.